afternoon, team. I don't know if some of you guys recognize this area. This is where the new attraction's going. Lots of moving dirt already. You can see a lot is going on. This is the pit for the pump house. Looking good, looking good. We'll have spread footers coming in this direction right here, all the way around the pump house, spread footers. The pump house right here in this section of the pool, it's going to be another 3 feet deep. That'll be the surge pit. And then we'll have steps in the back within that area. It's looking real good. The slides will start in this direction in this area. All right, without they're not running the machine, I can walk over here a little bit. So a lot of this dirt right here, hopefully the sun's not too bad, but a lot of this is going to be even. The concrete path is going to be even with the current splash pad area. So right here, that's going to even out right here. So we're going to have to drop it down enough to get the concrete pad poured. All this is going to be a splash pad coming around. This is a splash pad. We're going to have a set of steps right here, little steps coming around, and then the slides will be in this direction over here. And you see we got a bunch of dirt here piled up. So all of this dirt is going to be used to help build the ramp and the wall. So there's a big ramp and wall that's going to be in this back area. Let me see where this guy's going with the Mini X. I don't want to be in his way. There's going to be cabanas in this area. All the way down the line of the lazy river will be cabanas. And in this area, we're working on it, but we're looking at possibly phase 2, looking at double-decker cabanas to go around the river and overlook into the mat racer, all that area. It's going to be pretty cool. Okay, nobody's in there, so I'm clear. See all this wire. Wow, it's a lot of wire. Okay, so the retaining wall starts about 6 feet from the current wall over there. The retaining wall will go around, loop around, and then starting around right where I'm at in this area is going to be the path for the top of the slides, the first set of slides. And then the big slides will be over there. It'll be almost 10 feet high, this wall, this other retaining wall. So when you look over, you're going to be really seeing into the bottom of the river. All this wire is coming from the pump house way over there, and it's bringing it this way, and it home runs here at Pizza Shack. This is the pizza building. But you can see, unfortunately, it was going right down the middle of the, right down the middle in this hole. So we had to cut it out, unfortunately. There's some conduit right there. That conduit was for all of our, we have 2 river flow river motivators, go river, that were, one's over there, one's over there, and unfortunately we had to cut those, but that's okay. And then our conduit for the, excuse me, what's it called? Fiber line is in there too, but they had a clean cut on it, so we'll be able to reestablish. But you see it's pretty big already. And they still got to go a little deeper. Not much, a little bit deeper. Looks looking good. All this dirt, a lot of it's going to be reused. At first we thought we were going to have to import dirt, but it looks like we're going to have a lot of leftover. So we're actually going to export some of this off the site. Because again, we still have to shave this down quite a bit. And of course all these trees are going to be gone. But yeah, we're getting there, boys and girls. They don't have the tags anymore. But I'll show you on the drawings what this is going to look like as far as the pump house goes. Right there is going to be a little deeper, the surge pit. This is the bottom of the pump house. Over there, starting in that direction. Let me make sure I'm looking at it right. In that direction, there's going to be steps going down into it. But yeah, it's looking good. Looking good. Got sewer right there. Yep. Fantastic. All right, let's look at some plans. All right, team. Listen, I'm at the house now. Okay, so let's look at the drawings here. So, as you can see, everywhere, this is the demolition plan, right, by the way. Let's see where it says It doesn't actually say it anymore. But anyway, this is the demolition plan. See, all this area right here had to be demoed. So we've already done all that. There's the pump house. So you'll see where the slides are going to be. This is going to be like a green space. And then over time, you can't tell maybe, but you could see the outline right there. There's the cabanas. There's some over here too. These are double cabanas. All right, so let's see. All right, here's a little bit blown up picture of the slides. So you can see there's one, I can't think what they call it. That's Pro Slide. It's just a family slide. This is like a little mat racer, except no mat racer. This is a mini bowl. This is they call these the kids octopus. This is a mini tornado and a mini aqua wall. I can't remember what Whitewater or Pro Slide calls it. Uh-oh. What do you want, dude? Okay, here's the plumbing plan. These are for the main drains going back into the surge pit. These are all the main lines going from the pump house to all the kids slides and the attraction or the little splash pad stuff. So you'll see here's all the splash pad stuff. Here's all the slide pumps, and you can see there's tons of them, tons of pipes coming out of here. All right, so here's the pump house. So here's this one right here is for all the smaller slides. This is going off of a manifold, right? These are all the different little slides for the manifold. This is for one of the slides. I think it's their tornado slide. This is the filter. So the filtered water will actually push through all the toys. There are going to be some returns, but most of them are going to be through the toys, the water flow. And then, you know, so we got to build a manifold for all that. But yeah, you'll see there's a manifold breakout right there. And then this one right here is for the other little raft slide. Okay. I showed you where the stairwell was going to be. Here's all the electrical that's going to be there. And of course, there's the surge pit. Now, let me see if I can get some elevations. Let's see what the elevations are. Let's see the elevations here. I would think it would. This is a side view, but still doesn't give me. What's that number? Nope, still doesn't give me elevation. I don't know what that stands for. TF 127. So saying the water surface is going to be at 135. TF is 123 or 127. Kind of hard to read on this. I don't know what TF stands for. Top of foundation. I think that's what it is. 127. So if that's the case, that's a pretty significant depth of the pump house, of the surge pit. I'm going to have to really try and figure that out and ask some questions. So, yeah, you'll see how deep it is. All right, team. Well, thanks for joining me on this one. We'll catch you later.